Gusto mo bang ma-experience ang Disneyland Hotel kahit on a budget? Then book Disney's Hollywood Hotel, the cheapest among the 3 hotels in Disneyland Hong Kong. At meron itong 2 teams na pwede mong pagpilian, ang Mickey and Friends and Marvel. And as a fan of Mickey Mouse, we booked the Mickey and Friends standard room na may sukat na 29 square meters. Medyo spacious na siya and good for 2 adults and 2 kids na rin. Take note lang, wala pa tong kasamang breakfast and unfortunately, walang nearby fast food and convenience store sa loob. Medyo pricey lang yung food sa kanilang restaurant, kaya kung gusto nyo makatipid, mas okay kung may baon na kayong pagkain. Don't worry, pwede naman ang outside food, pero bawal lang ang magluto. At kung gusto nyo i-reheat yung food nyo, pwede kayong magpa-reheat sa Ink and Plate restaurant. At kung birthday month mo, makakatanggap din kayo ng cake towel and pin. Now, punta naman tayo sa room. Meron na tong kasamang basic amenities like TV, fridge, fast wifi, water dispenser, coffee and tea, towels, at syempre, ang kanilang cute na sleepers na pwede mong iuwi. However, merong mga toiletries na hindi provided, kaya mas okay kung may dala kayo. At kung wala naman, don't worry, pwede kayong bumili sa front desk for only 40 Hong Kong dollars. At worth it naman siya dahil good for 4 packs na. At alam nyo ba, para masulit namin yung stay dito, hindi namin siya isinabay sa park visit. Literal na nag-staycation lang kami. And upon arrival, dahil 3 PM pa yung check-in, ay naglaro muna kami sa Malibu Game Room. Yes, pwede nyo siyang gamitin at libre lang siya. Pwede rin kayong mag-join sa iba't iba nilang activities, like yung sa amin, artistry tour, yung sinalihan namin. At nanalo pa kami ng marble bag. By schedule pala to, or my schedule, so just simply ask the front desk para malaman nyo kung ano yung mga pwede nyong salihan. Then after that, nag-hotel hopping kami. Yes, you can visit all the 3 hotels and access their common area. Don't worry, may shuttle bus na umiikot every 10 to 20 minutes. Dito sa Disney Hollywood, meron silang swimming pool, meron ding garden kung saan pwede kang mag-jogging or mag-walk around, plus enjoy the view of the South China Sea. Then if you go hungry naman, meron din silang restaurant, yung Ink and Plate and the Archivist. At kung nag-check-in kayo dito at pupunta kayo ng park, you can also use the priority lane sa Disney Park entry. O diba, hindi mo na kailangan pumila and all you have to do is just show your keycard as proof. This is not an ordinary hotel, kaya sobrang worth it naman talaga ng experience. Napaka-magical. Siguro kung marami lang kaming budget, baka nagdagdag pa kami ng ilang araw. By the way, you can book this on their website or pwede rin naman sa Klook and Agoda. But personally, I find it cheaper sa Klook. At kung gusto mong makales ng konti, you can use our discount code TripTiKlook for Klook app and TripTiAgoda for Agoda app. Ayun lang guys. Bye! And don't forget to follow us.